Hey everyone, it is Nick from Detail Peoria. We're in the shop here today to talk about our favorite process for maintaining your vehicle in a quick way. Anytime that your vehicle is dirty but not filthy and you want to get it cleaned up, rather than breaking out the power washer, the soap and the suds and everything like that, we're going to teach you what we encourage our clients to use and what we use ourselves, and that's called a rinseless wash. So let's look at a few of the products that we're going to be talking about here today. So number one, we've got Optimum No Rinse. This is a product that has become really popular in the past couple of years. And you'll notice that we've got a couple of other bottles here. I've got a concentrate that we're going to talk about, and I also have a quick measure bottle. I've got a 3-gallon bucket, so this will work just fine. I don't care what kind of bucket you have, just as long as it's clean. It can be a 3-gallon or a 5-gallon, but this is where we're going to mix up our concentrate. Lastly, we've got a handful of super plush towels. These towels are nice and soft. They've got a nice long nap on both sides, and this is what we're going to be washing our car with. So let's talk about actually how to put this together. You see, you've got Optimum No Rinse here, instructions on the side. One of the things that I would tell you is it's really nice to have one of these pre-measurable bottles because it measures out in ounces. All you're going to do is measure out 1 ounce of rinseless wash, and then you're going to fill your bucket with 2 gallons of water. So next, let's talk about this bottle that we have pre-mixed here. This is actually going to be what we use for pre-rinse. This is something that you're going to spray across the panel before you come across with your wet towel. So instead of 1 ounce per 2 gallons of water, it's going to be vice versa. So we're going to use 2 ounces per 1 gallon of water. So next up, let's talk about towels. You are going to take your super plush towels. By the way, I recommend spending good money on these towels. These are nice and thick towels. 460 GSM. If you don't know what that means, just quickly look it up. We'll post a link down below to where you can get some towels like this. Once again, 2-sided, nice and plush. And I'd like you to take 4 to 6 of these and just quickly dump them into the bucket and give them a swirl inside of the bucket so that they're all nice and wet. So you're going to grab one of the towels out of the bucket. You're going to notice that you want it wrung out enough that it's not dripping and really wet, so just enough that you're not going to make a mess all over the floor. That's plenty of product in a towel. Next, you're going to fold it into 4, so then you know where you've been, because one thing that we're going to do is never take a portion of the towel that's been dirty and bring it back across the paint that we want to clean. So nice and easy, you're going to take your pre-mixed concentrate and spray it on the section that you want to wash. We're going to start with the hood right here. So after that's been pre-rinsed, I'm going to fold my towel to have a nice little edge and just bring it down and across. If your paint was really dirty, you're going to get a nice dark line across the towel. You then can easily just roll the towel up and go back across. Why this is important is Optimum No Rinse is made to actually encapsulate the dirt and grime. It is made to pick up any of that rather than smear it back around. So once I've used that whole side, I'm going to flip my towel over to a clean side and just continue the process along. Just rolling the towel as I go. And you'll notice that you're just going to keep rolling the towel across to have a clean side touching the paint. I want to mention here as well, you don't need any pressure other than the weight of the towel on the paint. This is going to keep you from getting scratches and swirls. So after I've washed the hood, I'm going to break out a drying towel, nice 2-sided drying towel, lay it across the paint. Once again, we don't need any towel pressure, and just quickly dry it off. All right, so that's how you do each individual panel. You notice it only took me a couple of minutes to go across the hood here. So count your number of panels, a couple of minutes a piece. That means it's gonna take you 15 to 30 minutes to wash your car. Really quick and easy. So a couple things to remember. Number one, never take a dirty portion of the towel and apply it to another section of paint. So in other words, you'd never want to be washing the surface with a dirty portion of the towel. That's why you have a handful of towels, to always be using a clean section of the towel as you wash the car. So when you get done, you're gonna have a bunch of towels, easy to throw them in the wash, just recycle them and bring them back out for the next use. One pro tip that we recommend to all of our clients: if you're a car show person and you have this nice clean car that you've driven to the show, most of the time as we pull into the shows, we see two things: quick detailer and California car dusters. Those are two great ways to have tons of scratches and swirls. This is a product that we recommend to any of our clients as they've driven down to the show and they want to clean up their car so it looks great at the show. So make sure to check out the products below, make sure to give us a like, and tell your friends about this process, because this is going to save you and all of your friends a ton of time.